Welcome to the Applied Molecules Safety video series, where safety meets innovation at every step. Today we delve deeper into the safe handling of UV and EB materials, a crucial element in our product range, underscoring the imperative role of safety data sheets, or SDS, in hazard communication and safe practices. Revolutionizing SDS with innovation. In our continuous endeavor for innovation, we partnered with our esteemed regulatory supplier, Albert, crafting an innovative first-page overview in our SDS. This not only champions ease of access, but enhances hazard communication, providing a succinct guide to the detailed information housed in the subsequent pages. Remember, while this first page gives a snapshot, it is in no way a replacement for the detailed safety data sheet. It's a beacon guiding you in the comprehensive safety insights detailed in the full SDS. Navigating the Enhanced SDS. The newly innovated first page gives you a quick understanding of the product's critical information, guiding you on how to delve deeper into each section for a detailed understanding. Let's navigate through it together. Identification. Quick insight into the product and supplier details. Hazard identification. A snapshot of potential hazards associated with the material. First aid measures. Preliminary guidelines on addressing emergency situations. Storage of UV and EB materials. Proper storage is pivotal to ensure the longevity and efficacy of UV and EV materials. Here's how to go about it. Temperature. Store the materials at a temperature below 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius is preferred. Please consult additional recommendations in the SDS, maintaining a stable environment for the substances. Container. Use containers that are compatible with UV and EB materials as indicated in the SDS to prevent reactions and leakages. For storage of formulated UV or LED materials that have the potential for curing in light and completely opaque package is required. Ventilation. A well-ventilated area aids in minimizing the buildup of harmful vapors. Disposal of UV and EB materials. Disposal of UV and EB materials is a critical process where adherence to safety protocols is non-negotiable. Here is a systematic approach to disposal. Waste management. Follow the waste management guidelines outlined in the SDS to responsibly dispose of UV and EB materials, prioritizing environmental safety. Applied molecules, as long as they have not been mixed, are classified as non-hazardous industrial waste and should be collected in a waste container and disposed of with an appropriate waste handling company. Container disposal. Ensure that empty containers are handled as per the guidelines to prevent any residual contamination. Emergency procedures. Be aware of and ready to execute emergency procedures in the case of accidental spills or exposures. At Applied Molecules, we believe in empowering every individual with the knowledge to handle materials safely, fostering a work environment that stands tall on the pillars of safety and innovation. As we wrap up this segment, we encourage you to always refer to the safety data sheets, your roadmap to safety and efficiency. Remember, being well-informed is being safe. Join us in our next series as we continue to unravel the best safety practices in the industry, because at Applied Molecules, we work safety and innovation hand in hand. Stay safe and stay tuned.